Well, here is my almost completed homemade press. Still got a couple of things to do before it gets painted, but at a pretty fun stage now because I've made two dies. This one over here, as you can see, it's just got a simple flat bottom on it. 1-inch steel welded to this 1.5-inch shaft goes in here to this receiver, and just a little set screw that holds the whole thing in place. And then yesterday I made these, which is a bending die. This is just channel iron. You see two pieces of angle iron here, not channel iron, and another piece in here for strength, all welded in place. And then the top two pieces of angle iron on top of each other, just with the apex of the angle iron milled off so that they could fit into each other nicely, and then welded onto this 1.5-inch shaft again. There you go. It needs to all be cleaned up. But anyway, I thought what I would do is just quickly do a bend. I've got a little piece of steel here. I don't think it's much more than 3/16 or so. Let's get this thing started up. Excuse that. There's the valve here. Pump and cylinder. Now watch this come down. It's nice and square here. It's buttoned out. It's got a nice right angle bend in it. Pretty neat and simple.